Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make dynamic brushstroke animations step by step in Canva. Click Create, then go to Videos. Select Landscape Video. In the panel, choose Text, then click Add a Heading. Type any word you want to appear. This sets up your video with a heading text element ready for further customization. Follow these steps to start your video project efficiently. Next, change the font by selecting a larger size. To do this, click the font size dropdown and choose a bigger number. You can also apply a brush style font by selecting the font type dropdown and choosing a brush option. This will give your text a more artistic, handwritten appearance. Adjust as needed. First, select any font in the font area. Next, click Share, then Download. To increase the quality, change the file type to PNG and adjust the size as needed. Finally, enable the transparent background option before hitting the download button. This ensures a high-quality image with a clear background for your design. Follow these steps to download your work with improved resolution and transparency settings. Download the background image by clicking Save. Next, delete the placeholder text. Then, drag and drop the downloaded image into your project. Position it as needed to replace the text area. This method quickly updates your design with the new background image. Ensure the image fits properly before proceeding to the next step. Click Animate, then select the brush option. Choose the click style to apply the animation effect. This will create a dynamic brushstroke animation on your element, enhancing visual interest and engagement in your project. Use it to highlight key features effectively. Select the curve, wild, or swirl brush styles from the 4 available options. Each style offers a unique effect for your design. Choose the one that best suits your project to enhance your creative work efficiently and effectively. Select the wild option on the menu, then click play to start your video. This feature allows you to preview your media before making further edits or adjustments in your project. Select the declaration option to save space. Then, click the share button. Choose download and save your file as an MP4 video format. This ensures your video is compact and easily accessible for user sharing across platforms. Confirm the download to complete the process. You can also use a GIF by selecting it from the options below. Now you know how to create brushstroke animation in Canva and subscribe for more cool design tips.